whole heap of people may help in their life. Yeah. So I tell you, say, once or twice every week, me in the park, I sit down and I reason with the youth. Because me go through certain things in my life, and then the youth they start link, him show me saying positive and him want to learn certain things. And we don't have a whole heap of people out there that sit down and talk to the youth. Them. So, me kind of play my part. Plus, a whole heap of things I want to do. You just have the right person around you, you know?
So you don't think you have the right person around you now?
You have to tell me that still because you don't show me say you have a little squad in your life. So. I don't know.
And no more than that.
Freddy. Freddy. Freddy!
I want you, brother! I want you, brother!
Yo!
Brother, you just mash up progress like a while now. How are you there, sir?
So yes, no man. You mean by me I mash up progress?
Brother,
I call you and it's about process, brother.
what you mean? I dream. You can't see a man lay down and sleep, brother. You just come wait the man
I
to
such
start.
man sleep.
Brother. Yo, I mash up. You know which part I dream in the while, brother. Yo, she just there go say,
Sorry, brother. Sorry.